Hey, what's up, guys? We're live here in Arkansas at Matt Miles' farm in McGee, Arkansas. Matt Miles is one of our pod fathers, and we got a special treat for you guys today. Something a little different, not something we've ever seen in the corn show. Cotton picking. And we're gonna have a cotton picking good time here. So in case you haven't seen one of these before, this is a cotton picker. Very expensive machine. Cost I think about $700,000+ for this machine. And it only picks one crop. Just one crop, and that would be cotton. So we're putting some GoPros on there. We've got Jared right there putting some GoPros on. We've got our producer and Judge Cahill Dote out there somewhere. And we're just checking out some different things this year. You'll see a lot of crops featured in both the Podfather and CornWarriors series this year. Stuff that you've never seen before in the corn show. So they're just getting ready to get going there. It's pretty impressive to watch. It's a beautiful crop. So we've got some picked portion of the field. And we've got some unpicked portions. We've got those finished bales there. That just come right out of the back of that machine. We're going to watch it happen here in just a minute. It's pretty cool thing to watch. Might need to move our vehicle. It looks like we're in the way. Give me just a second. Swood for Dote. I think we need to move the truck. If you can help me out with that. Oh, where is he at? Giving him the thumbs up there.
Okay, we're clear the vehicle. Standing clear the vehicle.
Okay, Jared, can you come move our vehicle for us? We need to move it. All right. So we're going to move our vehicle here so that the cotton picker can get the job done.
What?
We're live.
Woo!
Nope. Move it out of the way here and see what kind of magic can happen.
He knows we're moving. He knows we're moving. He told us to move.
So a little shout out there to all the cotton farmers. If you're a cotton farmer, we want to hear from you. This is not an easy task from what we understand. Not an easy task. It takes a lot of time. And they're pretty fun to watch. Ooh.
Not copy that. I'm sure drone can grab it. He's doing it now.
Hey, we're live on Facebook. Welcome to all of you who have just tuned in. We're in McGee, Arkansas at the Miles farm doing something that we haven't done before. So we're on standby for some soybean cutting, which will happen tomorrow. Maybe later today. If you stick around, you might get lucky. Might see a little bit of it today. But right now it's cotton, and this is our first time filming cotton, actually. It's a beautiful crop. Looks like a snowy field. So we want to hear from you cotton farmers out there. If you guys farm cotton, we want to hear where you're from, and tell us how many acres of cotton you got. Put it in the message there. Ooh, something else we're going to do today is announce our winner from our contest that we did. the other day. We'll have that announcement here shortly, so stay tuned for that. But Matt Miles, in case you didn't know, is one of our podfathers. One of our podfathers in our new series, The Podfather, which starts airing in January on RFD TV.
Well, I shot him picking up and then moving on. Now I'm trying to get more GoPro batteries switched.
What can I do to help?
Nothing. Just I guess if we need to move, I just begin the ready. But I think we're okay.
So he's just finishing up this small section of the field here. It's a pretty interesting machine.
Do you want any of this for a souvenir?
I took some home from Reed's
Last time. I
Well,
just
thank
love
you.
cotton. I really do.
It's fascinating. It's so cool to see it first.
Yeah, it's definitely a miracle.
That's it.
They have raised seed beds here, as you can see. Raised seed beds for the cotton. And then once it gets enough, it spits out that bale right out the back of the combine there. It's very cool to watch. Reminds us a lot of baling hay. So do we have any cotton farmers out there? If so, put it in the message. Tell us where you're from. We'd love to hear from you. And he's going to turn around and head right for us here in just a second. Let's move down the field a little bit. You know we're live, right? So, something different for you guys today. Not something we've ever shot before. Definitely hasn't been in the corn show. And we did have a little bit. Actually, we did talk to Eric Reed about his cotton, but we've never showed it being harvested. What do you think of this cotton here at Cahill?
I think it's just wonderful. It's amazing how beautiful cotton is. You look at the cotton fields, and it's not something when you're wearing a cotton shirt that you think about.
Yeah, that's true.
But then when you look at the beautiful blossoms, it's just a wonder of how this magical cotton comes to being. You know, like you would think it was made up from some sort of chemical compound that man invented, but
But no, sir.
no.
Comes out of a fields. Lots of hard work and perseverance. Not gonna hit any power lines behind that. Need to get eyes on that drone if we can. It's pretty interesting to see how it goes in and then goes right into the combine there. And then it's gone. No more cotton in the fields. It's pretty cool.
And what they're doing now, I don't know if you discussed it already, they're actually picking cotton. That's what this is called, picking cotton.
Picking cotton.
Because it's actually picking the cotton.
Yeah.
And it's, if you look, you can notice that it leaves the plants alone. It's just picking the cotton right off the plant.
Mm-hmm. And why is that?
Because that's the most efficient way to do it.
Yeah.
If you try to pick it and then mow it down at the same time and get it ready for the next crop, it would require so much horsepower that it would make it a very unreasonable cost for that one specifically designed machine.
Mm-hmm.
So what they do is they pick the cotton, and then after all the cotton's picked, they come back and basically mow it all down.
Is that what they're
All
doing
the
at the
plants.
other end of the field?
Yeah, the other end, that's the guy who's, once they get the bales out of the way, they'll just mow it all down. And they got to do that because if they don't, while it's just sort of dormant, it creates a happy home for dangerous insects that will destroy next year's crops.
Ooh.
So
That'd be like the boll weevil.
yeah, they don't want that boll weevil to come back. That will decimate the cotton crop.
Yeah. And we need our cotton. Because I don't know about you, but I wear cotton shirts. I wear cotton underwear. Cotton pants.
We don't want to get really, really personal here, but yeah, I like cotton too. And the funny thing
we're
is,
getting personal.
we needed to clean some items off, and we were like, do we have any cotton swabs? Of course. We've got tons of cotton. So it was kind of fun just helping ourselves to some fresh cotton and wiping down some lenses. That's something I've never done before.
Did you wipe down the lens with the cotton from the fields?
Yes, I did.
Oh, my.
It was actually the lens covers, if you want to get technical.
Oh,
the lenses
well.
are protected by covers.
Oh,
But-
the filters you're talking about.
Yeah, they got so dusty. It was the covers on the GoPros. They were so dusty.
I see.
We had to sort of dust them off, and the fresh cotton seemed to do the trick.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
See, we're very efficient here.
We're one with nature at CornWarriors.com. CornWarriorsTV.com.
Ooh, a little close there. A little close. I'm wondering when we're going to see another bale come out the back there.
I see, if you look around the back, you can see the
Ooh,
pink material.
low battery.
Our time's about up. When
Yeah, we're going to bring it in.
we hear that signal, that means we've talked long enough,
That's right.
and it's time to conclude this Facebook Live presentation.
Yep. Gonna have to bring it in. Sorry about the noise there, guys.
And those who have been following just every single Facebook Live, thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, we do.
And we promise that we will get to that drawing.
Oh, yeah, I told him.
Oh goodness, it's just been crazy here.
It's been
at
hectic.
CornWarriors. It's I mean, that's what it is. You can't control nature, and then when it's time to harvest, it's time to harvest.
That's right. We gotta go. We gotta go, and we gotta go. All right, we're gonna let you guys go. Speaking of going, and we'll check back in here in a few minutes. Thanks, guys, for tuning in.
This is Cahill Dote for Seth Wood and all the Corn Warriors saying, see you next time.
That's right.